Hello, all the CA Inter students. This is your CA Kaushik Mukesh, and today I am here to give an update regarding the new colored charts book on CA Inter Law, as well as a new colored question bank that is going to get released, and it is finally out now in a physical form. So, books will be available for sale from today onwards, max by tomorrow morning on the website, and where the physical copies will be available, all the details I am going to tell. First I will show you how the book has come out. Okay, so this is regarding the CA Inter Law charts book. Since this is a law landscape charts, I named it as a Lawscapes. You can see here. So this is applicable for Jan 26. Anyway, 26 exams are completed. So May 26 and September 26, this will be completely applicable. Okay. This can be used also for Jan, but on the print I have shown Jan, May and September 26. But May and September 26, 100% it is applicable. Okay. Jan, if at all one or two amendments come, we will add, or else 99% of the charts book will be same even for the Jan exams. Jan 27 I'm talking about. Okay. Next, as you can see, this is for the CA Inter. This is for CA Inter. And as well as this is a India's colored charts book, the best charts book that we are going to release with the 10 appendices on hand. Okay, applicable for your examinations. So, what is this particular thing? Okay, what I have written here now, if you wanted to see, you can see. Law deserves more than just black and white. So that is my logo from the very beginning. So whenever I used to read the law, I thought that it should not be in black and white. Okay. So court lawyer will wear, okay, there will be a black jacket and there will be a white shirt. But that's not law. Law is beyond white and black. So what is it? These are the colors that you can see in law. So anyway, so this is the front cover page. So here is the logo, and here SS Rajamouli style stamp, a Kaushik Mukesh craft, because that is a hard work of the 8.5 months. So like SS Rajamouli stamp madri idu irukku. So here the name CA Kaushik Mukesh, and this fellow on the edge, you might see him somewhere. Right. Next, on the back side. On the back, I think color is the texture will be stopping you, the green screen. So anyway, about the author. Next, let's come to the book. When it's come to the book, the first page starts with the pricing document. Okay, at what price it is kept, and remaining all is the colored charts material. And with regard to the syllabus, I just wanted to tell you certain important things about the book. See here, this is the size of the book. Okay, this if you read, I'm telling one more time, this if you read, okay, and do questions in the question bank that I'm going to show you, 70 plus is guaranteed. In law, you need not read any other book regarding it. Reasons also I will tell you. I'm not telling out of overconfidence. I'm telling out of only confidence. Why I am confident? Let me tell you. This colored charts book contained all the contents in your study material in a summarized format, what is required for the exams. Okay, whatever is required for the exams, you can see this is how you need to put and read this. For example, deposits chapter is there. This is how it will be. Okay, all the chapters like this in a landscape mode, you can happily go on reading and it will be moving on. Okay, so the point is, I have covered 100% of your syllabus from the first chapter till the last chapter. Wherever unnecessary points are there or repetitions are there in the study material, I trimmed them. Okay, so this will contain entire study material content, whatever is required for your examination for passing this particular paper and to get a very good marks. This will be your content book only directly. This is your content book. In these charts, all the concepts were kept. Okay, all the concepts. You can see my latest marathon videos as well. Okay, in that you can see whether I covered all the points on each and every point has been covered here. Okay, next, since it is a charts material, definitely we try to summarize the contents, correct? So this charts material is divided into two parts. Okay, rather three parts. Part 1, corporate law. Part 2, other laws. In other laws, you know, LLP will be there, Foreign Exchange Management Act, General Clauses Act, Interpretation of Statutes. Okay, finally 10 appendices will be there, penalties will be there, all these things will be there. But regarding the penalty charts, I am going to make a separate video. Please listen to that without fail. You will know what hard work that I have done. Okay, It is not about boasting myself. It is about what great service that I am going to provide you, which is not provided elsewhere with regard to the penalties. Okay, whatever we have done, I wanted to show you. So this is regarding the colored charts material. And now comes the game changing book. This will be the thing. CA Inter Corporate and Other Laws Question Bank, which includes the case based MCQs. And by Kriya Kaushal case one more time. So this is a backside about the faculty. Okay, this is about the faculty. And this is the front cover page of this book, Corporate and Other Laws. Okay, front one great person is sitting. So question bank, case based MCQs, inclusive. So first I will show you what is this last part of the book. You can see here. See, appendices contains penalties, list of resolutions, etc. etc. You should use the rule of ejusdem generis. All etc. relating to law will be there. Okay, same appendix, whatever 80 pages appendix I kept here in this book regarding various resolutions, which section require ordinary resolutions, special resolutions, all these 10 appendices will be there, 86 pages. Same 86 pages also I kept here. Okay, so for appendices, people need not break their mind. Wherever, whichever book you take, appendices will be there in that. Okay, next. This is the game changing part. Okay, this yellow color part is there, na? Directly you can go there. See, this yellow color part is, wait a minute, I will zoom in. Wait a minute. And now you can see. So case scenario, case based answers. In this case based answers, I kept all ICA and past exam things. See, randomly you will open one page and I will show you how it came. See, this is how it will be. I think the light was heavy. Okay. I'm very sorry if light was extremely heavy. I will show it as a PDF directly on the screen later. So this is the case based part. Okay. Next. After that, this is the question bank part. So this part will be regarding your question answers. This part will be regarding the case based MCQs. This final 80 pages part will be the appendices. Like this, 3 parts I divided the book. Okay. 3 parts. This colored part is there, na? This side, colored part. Each chapter ki different color was assigned. Okay. Full colored book. And this yellow color part is there, na? This is all case based. And this part will be the appendices, last part. So when it comes to the first part of the book, I will show you this way. First, India's best colored charts question bank for CA Inter Corporate and Other Laws. Includes case-based MCQs, appendices, covering the penalties, etc. Okay. See here. First, about the book. Okay. Next, after about the book, about Kaushik Mukesh. Sorry. About Kaushik Mukesh, who don't know? Sorry. Next one will be the syllabus and its contents. Okay, syllabus and its contents. Next, trend analysis. Okay, trend analysis, including JAN exam, paper pattern, must do questions in exam, feedback form. Later starts the chapter. Okay, so in this, I will make one video because the light was heavy on the book. It is getting reflected. So therefore, what I will do, this is the colored question bank. Okay, colored question bank. This is colored charts material, and this is a colored question bank. This with this is a rare deadly combo, wherein if you can properly read this at your preparation time, close this. Whenever each chapter is completed, if you do this, that's it. Okay, in this, don't see the size. Up to here only the question bank will be. See, this will be the question bank. This part over. This is case-based MCQ for practice. This is appendices. Okay. So don't see this as a part of question. These are part of question bank, but these are not the part of your burden to study. Okay. After studying, it will test your knowledge part. Okay. This will be completely the question bank part. Means what? If you can read this part of the question bank, and if you can first read the content material, your work is done. Okay. You read the chapter in the charts material first. Complete it. After that, come to the question bank and read this. Complete it. That's it. Your work is done. Why you will not get 70? I will see. Okay. So definitely, if you put enough hard work on this, so you need to read, remember the contents, and then you need to do the question bank. Now I wanted to tell certain points about the question bank. With regard to this question bank, I have divided that into 4 parts. Okay, I will show it on PDF directly. Okay, because the color is not so proper. Here it is reflecting. So I will show you through the PDF directly. So this question bank is divided into 4 parts. Part 1 will be the study material questions. Part 2 will be the MTP, past exam questions. Part 3 will be the MTP questions. Part 4 will be the RTP question. Or part 3 is MTP and part 4 is RT. Part 3 RTP, part 4 MTP. So study material, previous year exam questions, RTP, MTP. In 4 blocks I have kept. Means what? Study material you need not read separately again. Past exam questions, some questions came from study material. Those are not again repeated in past exams. Okay, past exam questions mean those are unique other than what is already tested from the study material questions. RTP also same. RTP, MTP mostly contains study material or past exam questions. So again, giving the same in RTP doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what I have done, wherever repetition is there, that was removed. Unique RTP questions, unique MTP questions I kept in the RTP, MTP part. Okay, this is how I have done. I will show the PDF also just now. Okay, along with this only I will show you. Please see. Continue seeing the video so that you can understand completely and you can take a decision. And moreover, next one, I will tell this and then I will show you a PDF where books are available. Today night I will be adding it on my website kmrclasses.com. Okay, today I will be adding there. So normally question bank is now on the old question bank. On old means existing question bank is also priced at 999. Same price I'm putting also this. Even though this has extra contents, extra pages in this, still we are not changing it. Same 999 question bank will be available. It's a colored question bank, multi-colored question bank with case-based MCQ. MCQ again we need not separately buy. MCQs will be there, case-based MCQs will be there, and you will be finding appendix inside, the high valued appendix, and along with the RTP, MTP, study material, past exam paper, divided question bank. Okay, and the color charts book also will be available at the same price of 999. Okay, so 999 and 999 it will be. But any student who buy this particular question bank, okay, who buy this question bank on a combo with this color charts material, means color charts book and question bank, then you will be getting a 200 rupee discount. Both will be available only at 1800. Okay, so these two books will be available at 1800 as a combo. If you buy independently also, you can buy independently also. I will make it available. It will be 999. Okay, where it is available now. One, on my website kmrclasses.com. Second thing, if you can take physically at Chennai. Okay, if you can take physically at Chennai means if you go directly to Chennai, if you are from Chennai or if your friends are in Chennai, from them also you can take. If you take directly from ICOM classes at West Mambalam branch, okay, I repeat, ICOM classes at West Mambalam branch. If you wanted to collect books directly from there, you can collect directly. If you can have a physical copy directly, the price will be slashed to 1600 only. Okay, ma? So you need not even pay that 1800. Directly go there, pay, and you can take. It will be available at 1600 rupees. Okay, ma? So this is the thing I wanted to tell you. So avail this opportunity, and this is a great edition of a book that I am releasing after a long hard work of around 8.5 months. Students have been asking, and now it came into reality. Same like this FM also came. FM like game changing things we are doing. Just I will reveal in 1 or 2 days about also the FM what we are doing. So that will be much more exciting. So what we are doing with FM, same we are doing with final AFM and doing also with the inter FM. Also about the DT also I'm coming up with an update. Okay, well, so always at your service. So tell how the book found to be, and moreover I will be coming up with the PDF of this particular document. Just 2 minutes I will explain. So be patient, listen to that part of the video, and then we will be closing this particular video as well. Okay, well? So you can see this is a colored question bank. Okay, so about the book, in this particular question bank 100% syllabus is covered. Questions are covered in following format: study material questions, past exam, RTP, MTP. Exam oriented as a answer presentation, proper legal language is used, logical flow will be there, relevant sections and provisions are quoted wherever required, exam ready structure. And exam scoring highlights, key points, legal provisions are clearly highlighted. I will show you the proof also. Okay, helps the students to write precise, means what is required only we will put. Unnecessary Mahabharatam we did not write in that. So relevant and exam marks oriented answers. Okay, so each chapter is systematically divided into 4 exam relevant parts. As I said, study material questions, past exam, RTP, MTP. This structure approach enables students to track ICI trend, understand question patterns, and prepare with confidence. High value appendices, unique advantage. Appendices you already know. I will show you one more time. Next, about qualification, no need now. Syllabus and its contents. Okay, as per the ICA, what is the syllabus? You can see here. So, corporate and other laws, LLP, objective, what are the contents of Companies Act, what are the contents of LLP, and what are the other contents. Okay, trend analysis, including the JAN exam trends I have made. Okay, JAN exam, like each chapter came for how many marks, which chapter is given highest importance, everything was given here. This is the trend analysis chart, which is very important when you are preparing. Okay, this is all in question bank. This is a QR code you can scan. 264 CA final AFM exemptions are there. Along with that, around 112 CA inter law and 136 CA inter FM student exemptions are there. Okay, so totally the details, the sheets, everything will be available. You can see there. Okay, so next, this is a paper pattern. How the paper pattern will be coming generally in examination part 1 and part 2. Okay, case based MCQs, descriptive questions part. So 30 marks and 86 marks. This 86 marks, how they are dividing also, we are giving it very clearly here. Okay, next, the must to do questions. What is it? Must to do questions. Okay, so this must do questions students will be filling. That's why I clearly mentioned student specific. Who are we to tell these are the must to do? For me, certain things will be must to do, but for the student, when you are preparing, you will understand which topic you felt a little tricky and difficult. Okay, for example, you are reading the chapter prospectus. Okay, there are around 40 questions in prospectus. In that, question number 7 you are reading, you found it difficult, tricky, means you need to read 2 times to understand. So write down question number 7, such that at the time of exam you will know which is more difficult for you. So therefore, I am not here to tell about must do questions. This you will be writing down. That's why depending on the length of the chapter, gaps are also given for you. So clearly I have said here, this is always student specific. No one can judge which topic or question you found difficult and tricky except you. So once a chapter is completed and when you start solving the questions and answers, whichever question you found tricky, note it here such that it will be highly useful for last minute revision. Your feedback will matter us, really it matters. You can send it as a photo, any mistake you found in the book or whatever you feel good about the book, any negatives if you find, everything you can write here, your name, your attempt, how you felt about the book, the positives and the negatives as well. Okay, you can send it to this particular number. This is my personal number, you can WhatsApp to it. Okay, definitely you will be making us grow. Index of the contents. Okay, this is the index of the book. And finally the preliminaries, like that it starts. Okay, so preliminaries chapter level, everything, each and every minute detail, types of companies, everything will be covered in detail. See, randomly I will open here, let it stop wherever it want. This one I said na, wherever important points are there, they are highlighted in the example. See, first I will show you the breakdown how it was given. If you start breaking down the concepts, each chapter before there will be a cover page like this. Chapter 4, share capital and debentures, 43 to 72. Okay, each chapter will be assigned with a different page border and different color, systematically followed throughout that chapter. First, study material questions. Wherever importance is there, we will highlight like this. These are must write points in the exam. Okay, questions are given. See, you can see these are all in the study material only. So separately, you need not read study material again. Okay. Next, past papers. Okay. So 23 past exam questions along with the 15 study material question, 23 past exam questions. And these 23 questions are non-repetitive from study material. There will be 30 exam questions, but in that some questions are already there in the study material. Now those we are not repeating again, non-repetitive. And finally, RTP, which are unique questions again, which are not found in any of the previous parts. Finally, the MTP and only MTP. These are not tested in RTP, MTP, study material. Sorry, RTP, study material, past paper. That's why MTP will be very less. 3 questions. Sir, only 3 are, sir. Remaining also will be there. There will be 20 questions also here. But those are all already repeated either in study material or in past paper or in RTP. So uniquely, whichever is tested, that only we kept. For this, we did lot of exercise and hard work that you need to understand. Okay, each chapter like this only total. Okay, so finally, what we have done, you can see here. This you must see. CA intermediate, corporate and other laws, case law, case based MCQs. This also we kept separately. So these are all the case scenario. Not only just the answer, if you can observe here, multiple choice question will be there. Answers also will be given with the reasoning as well. Like what is given in the study, ICA content. So with the proper reasoning, okay, every point will have a reasoning why that answer came that way. So these are the things you have to prepare, case based scenario questions. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell. Okay, once this is all completed, case based MCQs, everything is completed na? Next will start my favorite, appendices. Okay, appendices, you can see here. Appendices la all definitions. Whenever you are reading any question in the charts material, charts already appendices will be there, same appendices. Here also it will be there. Appendices la first part is definitions. All definitions in one place. Next, appendix 2. All sections requiring ordinary resolution, special resolution, all these. Okay. Next, forms. Next, exemptions given. Private company, public company, latest example around 25, 26 marks came from these charts. Okay. So, exemptions will be there, non-applicabilities, all those things. Next, list of the sections to remember. Next one will be the penalties. Okay, next one will be penalties. I wanted to tell you one very important thing regarding the penalties. Normally, in any book, normally, penalties, what you will see, like this, randomly let us pick. Okay, randomly let us pick. Okay. Section 56 is there. What you will see normally in any book of containing penalties, they will tell the section number, the section name. Okay, section number, section name. That's it. And they will tell that anyone who contravened provisions of section 46, 56. Because in the Bare Act, like that only it will be given. If any person contravenes the provisions of section 56, like that they will tell. So what contraventions are possible in section 56? That you should know now in exam. Therefore, that also I have given default in following. This you will not find even in the Act. Act what they will write, anyone contravened provisions of 56. Okay, so what contraventions are possible? If contravention is done, this is a penalty. What contraventions are possible? So transfer is not executed in proper manner. Instrument of transfer in SH4 is not properly stamped. Delivery of instrument of transfer is made beyond 60 days from the date of execution. Misrepresentation with respect to the lost share certificate. Fraudulent conduct on the partly paid shares. Company failed to deliver the share certificate within the time limits under 56.4A to 56.4D. Company failure to intimate the depository about the allotment. Like this you need to read. These are all the possible contraventions on section 56. If you know these, then it will have some use. Or else, whoever contravenes section 56, depending what is contravention in 56? Like this for every section, you can see here. See, how many points I have written there? How many types of contraventions are possible? See, here, see, 14 types of contraventions are possible in buyback. Okay, these all are given. 14 types of contraventions. Okay, what? So this is the power of appendix that Kaushik Mukesh prepared for you. Okay, so this is regarding the appendices relating to the form numbers and their contents. Okay, form numbers, all forms and the contents. Next, this is with regard to the applicability criteria. 200 crores, 100 crores, you will forget na. Small company recent amendment came. Small company recent amendment also came na, for small company like that. Those all things. Okay, these are all another appendix. Next one is how to read the law. Tips to read the law paper. Everything. In 4 pages, I have given everything, whatever you need. Next, form numbers ki main prefix. That's it. This is the end of study material. The question bank. Same thing also with the charts material. Charts material anyway, recently I have taken the marathon also, you can see there. Okay. So thank you very much. Share this video to all others, and how you felt, like the video, and how you felt about the books, please comment below such that I will know to make any improvements thereafter. Okay. Thank you very much. And books are available at 2 places. One, our website. Second one, ICOM classes Chennai. Okay. West Mambalam. I will give the details in the comments box below. Physical copies are available only at 1600. If you take online, it will be 1800 combo. And if you take independently, one book will be 999.